My name is Seth Ressler. I'm the Digital Dot Connector for Jacobs Media Strategies, and in this short video, we'll talk about social media. I like to think of social media like a highway. When you have a station, you advertise on a billboard by the side of the highway. Why? Because lots of people drive down the highway, and you hope that they'll see your billboard and tune into your station. Once they're tuned in, your ratings will go up, and your station will make more money. You want to share your station's website content on social media for the same reason. Lots of people go on social media, and you want them to click on your content and go back to your website. Once they're on your website, you can lead them towards an action that affects the station's bottom line, such as streaming the station or joining the station's email list. When it comes to social media, there are lots of metrics that we can track, from likes and comments to shares and retweets. But remember, just because you can measure something, that doesn't mean it's actually important. The number one reason to be on social media is to drive people back to your website. So the most important data point to track when reviewing your social media efforts is found in your Google Analytics. It's the number of visitors who come to your station's website from social media. You'll want to break it down by social networks so you know which one is having the biggest impact on your strategy. You may be getting a lot of likes on Instagram, but if you aren't driving people back to your site, it's not going to bring more revenue into the station. The traffic driven by social media can fluctuate over time, as social networks like Facebook tweak their algorithms. Monitor your traffic closely, because your top social media channel today might not be as effective tomorrow. To drive traffic back to your site, you'll want to share your station's web content on social media, but if you only share your own content, your station can look overly promotional. Share a healthy mix of your content and content from other locals. Make a list of influencers in your market. Influencers are people who have a following of their own. For example, this could be sports teams, colleges, local bands, chefs, or festivals. Share their content on social media, and they might return the favor. When they share your content with their following, it'll drive more traffic back to your website. Of course, there's a lot more to social media, but by starting with a focus on driving traffic back to your site, you'll get the most out of it.